Hello, it's Patrick, and welcome to some more Tesla reviews. And I've got this cool accessory for a Cybertruck. It's a center console floor organizer. And it's pretty neat. It's like this storage box that goes into the center console, and it fits in perfectly. It gives you 2 cup holders, which is always a plus when you've got multiple drinks and passengers. And it looks just like it fits in, like it's an OEM design. And I've been using it for a month now, or actually probably more than that, and I haven't had any issues with it. It's got a little trash can that you can open up and take things out of. It's from Teslaunch. It does its job, and it does it well. It allows you to, have a little trash can in there. The trash can comes out, and you can put stuff in there to keep it secure. Like I have different charging adapters in mine right now. Really, it's the cup holders, like easy to reach and out of the way, especially if you don't want like bigger cups or thermoses in your armrest area. This is kind of out of the way, and it works really well. And if you want to save some money on it, just use my code below and link in the show notes, and you can save some pretty big bucks. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for additional cool little accessories and Tesla news. Whenever there's a big event that I find interesting, I'll post my thoughts as a long-term Tesla owner and user for over a decade now. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.